If your right hand causes you to stumble, cut it off, throw it from you. It's better to lose one part of your body than for your whole body to go into hell. And so to know today that we cannot feed sin. The world tells you, no, it's okay, just sin, 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 man. Everyone does it, it's okay, there's pleasure in it. But they don't tell you that there's death waiting, eternal death, in a horrible place where the worm doesn't stop and the agony doesn't stop. But God comes in His Word because He loves us. Love the songs this morning about the love of God. And we come to the table now where Christ died on the cross because He could have stopped it. He could have just said, listen guys, I see what you're planning to do. I see you want to kill me for no reason at all. You're just angry, you're envious, you're full of hate. But He went through with it. And He went all the way to the cross because of His love for us. That He may take on His shoulders our sin. Bear the penalty we deserve because, brother and sister, in a sense, those religious leaders are a picture of each one of us.